This is the TLM for WH questions, which are started with WH. Who, what, where, when, which, why. How is also one of the questioning words. These are called questioning words. We use these words to ask any question or to know the information. Then go to the TLM. The first word is when. Where do we use when? To know the time or date. We use when to know the time. Here some are the examples. When do we celebrate Independence Day? To ask the date of Independence Day, we use when. When do we celebrate Republic Day? When do you wake up? To know the time of waking up, we use when. When do you go to school? When do you celebrate your birthday? When do you sleep? These are the examples for when using questions. Next word is why. WHY, why. The questioning word why. Where do we use why? We use to know the reason. The situation happened. We use why. Why are you crying? Why are you eating? Here they are talking each other. Why are you talking to me? He is asking her, why are you talking to me? Here two people are shouting. Why are you shouting? Here, why are you sitting on the bench? Here this boy is running. To ask, why are you running? Why are you playing? To know the reason, the action, about the action, we use why. Next word, who. To know the person, we use who, WHO, who. To know the person, we use who. Who is he in this picture? Who catches the rats? Who likes flowers? Who rises in the east? Who is he? Who are they? Who is she? To know the persons, we use who. Next word is where. Where. To know the place, we use where. To know the place, we use where. Where is he going? He is going somewhere. Then to ask him, where is he going? Where is the fish? Where is your house? To ask where the house is. Where is your house? Where is the moon? Where is the exhibition? Where is she? The place. To know the place, we use where. To know how the situation happens, we use how. Where do we use how? How is the way something is happened, or the way something happens, or the way is the way something. How is your performance? To ask the result or the progress, we use how is your performance. To ask about health, we use how is your health. How is it looks like? How are the clouds? How are the butterflies? How is the weather? Next word is what. Where do we use what? We use what for things or an action. To know about things or an action, we use what. Here the thing is ball. What is this? This is also a flower. What is the color of the flower? What is he doing? It is an action. What is he doing? What are they talking? What is the time now? What is this animal? To know the thing or action, we use what. Next word is which. WHICH, which. We use which to point out a specific thing or a person. To point out a specific thing from many. We use from many. To know the specific point, we use which. Which is your favorite village? Which is your favorite season? Which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite place? Which is your favorite food? Which is your favorite flowers? We have to choose one specific one. That's why we use which from many. These are the TLM. This is the TLM for questioning words. Thank you.